Hi. So we're today working with absolute value, and again, we're in your TABE Success book. That's on page 74. So let's talk about the highly technical thing of absolute value. So what you do when you see these bars, you'll see bars like this on each side of a number, is you have to determine the absolute value. And I'm going to give you a hint here. The absolute value of 4 is 4. Now, over here we have -4, and the absolute value of -4 is 4. Now, you may be asking yourself, what am I seeing here? Well, I'm betting you notice that no matter what's inside, whether it's positive or negative, it comes out the same. Yeah, it does. It's always positive. Now, absolute value is not how much something is worth, but it's how far away something is from 0. And that's why the absolute value of +4 is 4, because it's 4 away from 0. And it's the same for -4. It's like if you took a tape measure and you measured from this side, well, that'd be 4. If you measured this side, that'd be 4, okay? So absolute value is whatever number you get, positive. So let's do a few. So absolute value of 14, 14. Absolute value of -54, 54. Absolute value of 85, 85. Absolute value of -86, 86. Now, you'll notice this one's a little different. You have a negative here, and there is a negative outside. Okay, so here's what happens if you're in this situation. Yes, the absolute value of -5 is 5. But because you got a negative like lurking outside waiting to get you, when you're done, it turns it back to -5. It's like, imagine if you've got a barrier between you and the negativity sharks, and you manage to escape here, but as soon as the bars come off, basically they eat you for lunch, okay? You get negative, all right? So, you have a small selection of problems on your page to do. I don't think you'll have any problem with it. Just remember, what happens in Vegas stays in Vegas. No, I'm sorry. If it's positive, it's positive. If it's negative, it's positive. Don't worry about it. The only time you get negative is if it's hanging out, waiting outside. So, have fun with your problems.